this assessment asks us to analyze qualitatively the acid-base reaction here. It asks us to tell which is the stronger base, the base, or the conjugate base. And though we're going to do it qualitatively, we're going to use pKa values to kind of help us with that decision. The pKa values we're going to give to the acids. In this case, ammonia is the acid on the left side of the reaction. Its pKa value is 38. And the pKa value of 38 is going to give us information about the conjugate base, NH2-. The other pKa value that we're going to use, in this case for acetylene, is 25. The pKa value of 25 is going to tell us about the stability of the base. Okay? So looking at the pKa of 38 tells us that this is an unstable conjugate base, a very unstable conjugate base. How do we know that? NH3 is a very weak acid, which means it doesn't want to give up its proton to become the unstable NH2-. Alternatively, acetylene has a pK of 25, a number that is 13 units lower than 38. That tells us that this base is slightly more stable. Looking at it in terms of the base and the conjugate base, this reaction as written is going from more stable to less stable. That implies that this reaction should be uphill. The reactant side should be favored, and KEQ will be less than 1.